Hi everyone, how are y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda and today we'll be creating this look for you guys. I know I'm in a bit of a rush. It's not yet Christmas yet, but I'm feeling the green. I'm actually wearing something red, so it's kind of cheesy because it's not Christmas yet. But anyways, today I'll be creating this look for you guys. So I hope you like it. Please make sure to like, subscribe, thumbs up and comment down below, and I'll see y'all soon. So guys, going in with my Early Girl Pro concealer in shade Natural. I'm going to use this for my base, like so. And I'm also going to be using a beauty blender or a beauty sponge to blend that out to give it a well-defined base. After that, I'm going in with this black shade. I'm going in with this black shade from my Blossom palette, and I'm going to use that as a crease. I'm going to use that for my transition color, aka crease area. I'm using a thin brush as always and as usual to always pack my shade on so I don't deviate from what I'm doing. I like creases a lot. I like cutting creases a lot, so that's what I'm doing. I'm also kind of blending it out to create easy blend for the next shade I'm going to put on top. So for my next shade, I'm going in with this Juviasplace green eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using that as my transition color. So after blending it like this, I'm going to use like a natural shade, a natural color, almost natural, almost close to my skin tone. I'm going to be using this shade from from my Blossom palette, and I'm going to use that for my crease to set my brow bone area and to fade out this green shade so it doesn't create any harsh line. So I can see the black is not really showing, so I'm going to go in with my black and I'm going to dip in my black. I'm going to dip in my black shadow like so. Now that I've dipped it, I also make sure to blend it out. Just don't dip in it and leave like that. You also blend it out. So guys, going in my NYX jumbo pencil, I'm going to use that to cut my crease just a little bit. I think this is enough, so I'm going in with this green shade from my Blossom palette, Chromosphere. I'm going in with this green shade and I'm going to pack that on my crease area on top the NYX jumbo pencil. After cutting my crease like so, I'm going to be going in with this sprinkles reflector from ewaronkepro on Instagram. You guys can check her out. And I'm going to just be packing that on top my eyes. It looks like foil, which I really like. Guys, you see, nothing too much, nothing a bit crazy. We can actually wear this look out. I'm actually going out, so we can actually wear this look out. So I'm going to apply eyeliner and lashes to these eyes, just like I have done to these eyes. So I'm using a gel liner and an angle brush, and I'm just going to apply my gel liner. Going in with my Makeup Forever mascara. I'm going to use that. So guys, I'm going to be priming my eyes with the Makeup Forever primer. I'll leave everything in the description box below. This base eclat radiant primer, that's what this is called. As I'm priming my eyes, I'm just going to be priming my face. I'm sorry, my face. I'm just going to be priming my face with only that. I'm also applying the Gleam Milanicosmetics Hollywood highlighter to make my face glow. So guys, I'm going to be going in with this elf setting spray to set my whole face. Then I'm using my normal foundation, milanicosmetics foundation. I'm in the shade 11A. That's what I'm going to be using as my foundation today. And with my blending sponge, I'm going to use that to blend that all over my face. For this foundation, guys, you actually don't need too much. Less is more for this foundation. So guys, after you show you're done blending, I'm going to go in with my lagirlcosmetics concealer. I'm going to go in with my lagirlcosmetics concealer, of course, to highlight under my eyes, my forehead, and so on and so forth. Going in with my contour stick, as I always use my blackopalbeauty foundation. I'm going to use that to contour my face.
So guys, going in with my banana powder, I'm going to use that to set under my eye area like I'm doing now. I'm also going to set my nose, my forehead, and my jaw. Basically everywhere I applied my concealer, and I'm also going in with this Makeup Forever contour palette, and I'm going to use that to contour everywhere I applied my black opal stick foundation. I'm going to use this Makeup Forever to set it. So guys, taking the banana powder I used earlier, I'm going to use that to define my contour. Guys, this is the trick and holy grail for getting a well-defined contour.
So now I'm going to dust off the excess. So guys, for my eyes, I took a black pencil from Wet n Wild and I lined under my eyes, and I'm also going to take this green pencil from nyxcosmetics and this green jumbo pencil from nyxcosmetics, Rocky Mountain green, and I'm going to use that under my waterline. Next, I'm just going to use a mascara under my lashes, and I'll be back. So guys, for my lips, since it's not Christmas, so your girl is not going to be using red, I'm going to be using this Zaron pencil, and I'm going to use it to line my lips. This Makeup Forever lipstick, I don't know, it's just plain, I don't know the name. I'm just going to use that. So guys, this is the finished look. So I'm going to just add some compact powder, add some lip gloss, do my hair, and I'll be back to show you all the finished look. Okay guys, I'm back, and I'm going in with my Sleek blush, my blush from Sleek. So pretty. And then I'm going to set my face with this elf setting spray. Going in with the ABH palette, and I'm going to be using tourmaline as usual. That's my shade for ABH, and I'm going to be using tourmaline, and I'm going to be using that as my highlighter. I'm also going to put in some my tear duct area. Yes guys, so this is the final look. I hope you like it. I know it's not Christmas yet, but I'm already feeling the Christmas vibe. So hope you like it. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, share, subscribe, and I'll leave my handles in the description box below. My name is Linda, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.